Hello children, today we are going to see about one interesting topic, okay? Before going to the topic, how many of you participated in running race? How many of you won the race? Yes, today's topic is race. Today's topic is race. So here I have drawn one track. So there are 4 peoples running in this competition and this is your finishing line. This is your finishing line. Okay, and 4 persons have participated in this race and this person is called Arundhati. She is nearest to the finishing line and she is about 6 meters from it. From the finishing line. Arundhati is 6 meters from the finishing line. Behind her, Rehena is running and behind Rehena, Konkana and Uma was running. Yes? Now, choose the distance. Choose the distance between the people, okay? 3 meter, 6 meter, 10 meter or 15 meter. So, see children, the distance between Arundhati and finishing line is 6 meter. Then what about the distance between Rehena and Arundhati? What do you think? Guess children. Yes, this is surely 3 meter distance. The distance between Arundhati and Rehena is 3 meter. And what do you think about the distance between Konkana and Uma and also between Rehena? What do you think the distance between these 2 kids and Rehena? Surely it will be 6 meter. Yes? So, the distance between Arundhati and finishing line is 6 meter and the distance between Rehena and Arundhati is 3 meter and again the distance between these 2 kids and Rehena is 6 meter. Yes? Okay. Do you heard about 1500 meter or 3000 meter race in your school? Do you hear any 1500 meter or 3000 meter in the school race? What it means? It refers to the track. It refers to the tracks meter. Yes. Now I have to recall you one thing. 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? Yes, 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Now I need this 1500 meter in kilometer. I need this 1500 meter in kilometer. What we have to do? So, if 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, then 1500 meter equal to, we have to divide this 1500 by 1000. 2 zeros cancelled and we have to put decimal point 1 digits later from the right because we are having 10. If it is 100, we have to put decimal point 2 digits from the right. Like for example, see children, if 1500 divided by 10,000, 2 zeros cancel. Now it is 100 in the denominator. So you have to put decimal point 2 digits from the right. That is 1, 2 here. So 0.15 is the answer if the denominator is 10,000. But in this problem here there is 1000. In numerator it is 1500. If you divide this 1500 with 1000, you will get 15 by 10. So there is only 1 0 in the denominator. So you have to put decimal point 1 digit later from the right. So how much kilometer it is? 1.5 kilometer. 1500 meter equal to 1.5 kilometer. So, same children, for 3000 meter, how will you write in kilometer? So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, right? Then 3000 meter kevlo varum? We have to divide this 3000 by 1000, that is 3 kilometer. Okay, 3000 meter is otherwise called as 3 kilometer. Okay children. Now it is your next concept. Now children, have you heard about marathon races? Did you participate in this, in that marathon races? Yes? Okay. So in this problem, you have to participate in a marathon race in stadium. Is it possible to run a marathon in a stadium? Definitely no. But in this problem, you have to run a marathon race in the stadium. Consider this as a stadium. So in this stadium, one round of stadium equal to 4000 meters. Sorry, 400 meters. One round of stadium equal to 400 meters. Okay va? In the one round of stadium evlo meters irukam? 400 meters. Then 10 rounds of stadium equal to how many meters? 10 rounds of stadium equal to 400 into 10, because one round of stadium is 400 meter, then 10 rounds you have to multiply this 400 into 10. So 4000 meters. So 10 rounds of stadium equal to 4000 meter. Now we have to convert this 4000 meter to kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, right? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then what is 4000 meter? So 4000 divided by 1000. For converting kilometer to 1000 with meter. So 3 zeros cancel. So 4 kilometer. So 4000 meter equal to 4 kilometers. So 10 rounds of stadium equal to 4 kilometers. Now let us move on to the question. Now you have to run a marathon in a stadium about 40 kilometers. About 40 kilometer. Okay va? Fine pannalama. First you have to convert this 40 kilometer to meter. So again 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, then 40 kilometer equal to 40 into 1000, that is 40,000 meter. So 40 kilometer equal to 40,000 meter. Now what is the question? If you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash rounds. To complete this 40,000 meter in a stadium, how many rounds you have to run? Find pannalama. Okay. So first you have to find for one. So one round of stadium equal to 400 meter na 400 meter na 40,000 meter evlo rounds varum paakradhukku enna pannanum? We have to divide this 40,000 with 400. So 2 zeros, 4 ones are 4. So 100 rounds. Okay. To complete this 40 kilometer, we have to run for 100 rounds. Okay. Once again I repeat it children. One round of stadium equal to 400 meter, and we have to complete the marathon, that is 40 kilometer. First we have to convert this 40 kilometer to meter. So one round equal to 400 meter. Then how we have to find the how many rounds we have to complete for 40 meters. So you have to divide 40,000 with 400, that is 100 rounds. So to complete 40 kilometer, you have to run for 100 rounds. Now this is the long jump for boys. Long jump na enna? Do you have played this long jump in our school? Yes? Yes. So here how many boys are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 boys or doing long jump. Listen children, he is Dhanu. He is Dhanu. Dhanu has the longest jump. He has the longest jump, that is 3 meters 40 centimeter. Who is that? Dhanu. Dhanu has the longest jump, that is 3 meter 40 centimeter. He is Gurjit. Gurjit is second. Gurjit is second. So he has jumped 20 centimeter less than Dhanu. 20 centimeter less than Dhanu. Okay. Dhanu has the longest jump, that is 3 meter 40 centimeter, and Gurjit is the second. He jumped 20 centimeter less than the Dhanu. Then now how long Gurjit's jump? Let us find the solution for this. So first Dhanu oda jump evlo 3 meter 440 centimeter. So 20 centimeter than Gurjit less. So we have to minus 20 centimeter from this. So 3 meter 20 centimeter. So Gurjit jump oda distance another 3 meter 20 centimeter. Next, Gopi. Third one is Gopi. First one Dhanu, second one Gurjit, third one Gopi. Gopi is only 5 centimeter less than Gurjit. So what is the Gurjit distance? 3 meter 20 centimeter. Now Gopi is 5 centimeter less than Gurjit. So you have to minus 5 from Gurjit, that is 3 meter 15 centimeter. This is Gopi's distance. Okay. So Dhanu oda evlo 3 meter 40 centimeter, and when compared to Dhanu, Gurjit is 20 centimeter less. So we have to subtract 20 centimeter from Dhanu's distance. Final answer is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Now who is third? Gopi is third. He jumps 5 centimeter less than the Gurjit. So we have to minus 5 centimeter from Gurjit distance. Finally we got 3 meter 15 centimeter. So Gopi's jump distance is 3 meter 15 centimeter. Thank you children.